Sir,
all are wrong,
Rishika
I think.
fourth.
Sir, all are wrong, I think.
Why?
Sir, same
Sir,
to
Rishika
same
fourth.
to same as it is. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Why? Because here this is a straight line. This is not straight line. Here it is a minus. Here it is a plus. Here it is a horizontal line. Here it is a vertical line. So these three are wrong.
Sir, here.
Automatically fourth one is correct.
Sir, fourth one is wrong. I think wrong, sir.
Why is this is minus and this is arrow and this straight line.
Sir,
This the
you
correct
know
one.
that,
This one
sir,
dotted
that,
lines. This dotted lines, beta.
yes, sir.
That is, I think it is pencil line. Don't worry about that. That these three are entirely wrong. We can observe clearly. Here is it is a like this, but here it is a plus. Here it is a vertical line. So our
Perfect,
answer
sir.
is fourth one. Okay.
Fourth one.
Right. Next question, beta. See here and do the correct answer.
Sir, Neeraj third one.
Sir, sir,
Sir, Neeraj third
sir,
one.
third one, sir.
Neeraj, third one.
Sir,
Shayashi,
Rishika third one, sir.
Rishika,
Sir,
third
Sashi
one.
third one, sir. Sir,
Sayashi,
Sashi
third
third
one.
one.
Okay.
Sir, I said to second only, sir. Sir, why? Because there is but. Sir, why? Because wait, why?
Mm-hmm. Here three, here three, here three. See here. This is a. This one is correct or this one is correct. These both are wrong actually. But what is the difference between this one and this one? Here is a straight line, but here no straight line. So our answer is 3. Okay.
Sir, seventh one, sir, Sashvik second one.
And next, clear this one. Okay.
Sir,
Do
second one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj second one. Sir, Neeraj second
Sir,
one.
Sashvik second one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj second one.
Sir, Sashvik
Neeraj
second one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj
second
second
one.
one.
Sai
Sir,
Hashik
Sashvik
second one.
second.
Rishika.
Rishika. Amma.
Say which one is the correct one?
Sir, Rishika second one.
మేడం వీళ్ళు వేస్తలేరు కదా వస్తున్నారా వస్తలేరా వీళ్ళు వేస్తే వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ముచ్చబెడుతున్నారు వాళ్ళ వీళ్ళు ఎందుకు
Sir, Rishika second one.
నిషిక ఇద్దరు వచ్చారు కదా ఎందుకు రాలేదు
Sir, Rishika second one.
వీళ్ళేమో ఎక్కువ వేస్తున్నారు ఎగ్గురండి వస్తున్నారు కదా అటు వీళ్ళు కాదు ఈ కొత్త వాళ్ళు వచ్చినాక మీరు వెళ్ళండి పని అంటే ఈ కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఏమో అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతూ ఉన్నారు ఆలోచించుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళారు వాళ్ళు ఉండేది నాకు డౌట్ అనిపిస్తుంది వాళ్ళు వెళ్తలేరు వాళ్ళకంటే ముందు వీళ్ళు చెప్పారు మీ డీటెయిల్స్ సెకండ్ సండే ఫోర్త్ సండే ఏమన్నారు బయటికి వెళ్ళి అర్థం కదా మీరు చెప్పింది నాకే అర్థం కదా ఇక పోయిన తర్వాత తినిపించారా మేడం వాళ్ళు అవుటింగ్ లేదు కానీ జస్ట్ కలిసిపోతారు అంతే అని చెప్పండి. ఇది అంటే వాళ్ళ ఇంటి దగ్గర వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు, కొత్త వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు. మీరు చెప్పండి 50% కంపల్సరీ జాయినింగ్ రోజే లగేజ్ వచ్చిన రోజే పెడతారు. మీరు 10 కట్టారు, విత్ ఇన్ 2 డేస్లో పే చేసేయండి 50%. సార్ హాయ్ హలో చలో. విచ్ వన్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్?
Okay, sir. Sir, second one, sir.
Why it is second one? Here
Sir, why?
plus,
Because
Sir,
half
plus,
more,
plus,
Sir, 3
half
plus.
moon is
Sir,
there,
plus.
three pluses also it is there, and
But here
half
it
moon.
is curved, but here not a curved shape. Okay. And this is also wrong. Yes or no? What is the difference
Yes,
between this
sir.
is the not plus values are there? Okay. So our answer is what? 100% second one. Okay, ma?
Sir, 8 one answer is the first one.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. And keep it up for the next question. Right, say
Sir,
which
8.
one is the correct one?
Sir, Sir, is first one, sir. Sir,
Sir,
is
Neeraj,
first
Sir,
one.
Neeraj first one, sir. Sir,
Sai
Neeraj
is
first
Sir,
one.
first
is
one.
first one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj first one.
Neeraj first one.
Rishika. Hmm.
And one more already there. Realme. Who's that? Realme. Realme is waiting for there. But answers అయితే రావట్లేదు అక్కడ నుండి. ఆయన చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటమ్మా?
Sir, there is sir real me na.
See, and here this is ఇది కాదు. Why? Because పైన ఇది లేదుగా. This one also wrong. Yes or no? And this one also wrong. So our answer is what? Is perfect first one. Perfect answer is what? First one. Okay?
Sir, 9th question sir to fourth one.
Say
Sir.
which one is the correct one?
Sir, fourth one, sir. Sir, next one, fourth one. Sir, Scientific fourth one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj fourth one. Sir, Neeraj.
Sir, Scientific fourth one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj fourth one.
Sir, Scientific,
Sir,
sir.
Neeraj fourth one.
Sir, Scientific, sir.
Sir, Neeraj fourth one.
Fourth one. Sayashvik
Sir,
fourth
Scientific
one.
fourth one.
Rishika.
Sir, why you wrote आपको answer? Really?
So it is wrong. Why? Because here into. Actually we need here plus. So this is wrong. Here this is like this, but here this is like this. This is also wrong. And these are the, this is also wrong, like this only here. So our answer is what? Fourth one. Okay, ma? Our answer is fourth one. Next question. Say next question. Be ready.
Sir, 10th one.
Sir, Neeraj second one. Sir,
Sir,
Neeraj second
sir,
one.
Scientific second
Sir,
one, sir.
Neeraj second one. Sir, Neeraj
Sir,
second
Scientific
one.
second.
Sir, Neeraj second one.
Sir,
Sir,
Scientific
Neeraj
second one,
second.
sir.
Sir, Neeraj second
Hey,
one.
Neeraj second one.
hey. Sir, Scientific second one,
Sir,
sir.
Neeraj second one. Sir, Neeraj second
Sir,
one.
Scientific. Sir,
Sir, Neeraj. Sir, Neeraj
Scientific.
second one. Sir, Neeraj second one.
Neeraj second one.
Second one.
Sayashvik.
Sir, Scientific.
Sayashvik ఏంటి?
Scientific second.
Second one. Rishika. What is your answer? So see here, this is the opposite direction, this also opposite direction, this is same direction, బట్ ఇక్కడ డాట్ వచ్చేసి ఇటు వచ్చింది, మన డాట్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. మనకి థర్డ్ వన్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కదా, చూడండి ఒకసారి. సారీ, సెకండ్ వన్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, our answer is what? Second. Next question beta. Be ready.
Sir, Neeraj start one. Sir, Neeraj start one. Sir, Neeraj start one. Sir, Neeraj start one.
Neeraj, third one.
Sir, Sashwik third one, sir.
Sashwik,
Third one.
Okay. Next. Rishika, what is your answer? Say which one is the correct one here? Third one or fourth one? This is the arrow like this side. And this is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Our answer is third one, 100% correct answer. Superb, Neeraj and Sai Ashwik. Come on, Rishika, you have to say the answers. Come on, next question. Oh, question in front of you is interesting question for you. So,
Sir, Neeraj first one. Sir, Neeraj first one.
Neeraj first
Sir, Sashwik
one.
second one, sir.
Sir, Neeraj.
Ashwik second one. Rishika, what is your answer? What is that? Which one is the correct one? Say.
I think
1, 2, 3, 4. Then here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, what is the? Here no circles. Second one is wrong.
sir, third one is answer, sir.
Now third one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, Sashwik third one.
Okay, okay. And fourth one also not there circles. Okay. Oh, and our answer is how many are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Said 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, already it
What
is
is
there, sir,
what
with
is the
black.
difference? See here. In this we have circle. Closely observe there. But here we have the square. So the answer is what? What is this?
Sir, first
So
one.
third one, not first one.
Sir?
మనకు మిడిల్లో సర్కిల్ ఉంది కదా, చూడండి సర్కిలే ఉందా వైట్. ఒక్క నిమిషం బేటా.